Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry it's been so long since I've posted a video of cleaning and organizing. I've been dealing with a lot of mental turmoil. um, I've let my depression get the best of me, but I have been feeling better the last few weeks, so I'm getting back into the game of recording myself cleaning and posting these videos for you guys. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope it helps you get motivated. So today I am tackling the dining room and the kitchen. Those are the biggest messes in our house right now. These two rooms are always the biggest messes in our house besides the laundry room, because they are right by the back door, which is the door we always come into. So everything just piles up right there, and everyone just leaves all of the crap all over the countertops. These paper towels and tissues are actually supplies for my son's school, so they are just going to be sitting around until I get a chance to take him to his class. And then for the cleaning the tabletops, I just use the Method wood conditioner. I was kind of opposed to using this stuff at first because I didn't know how it would do on raw wood, like what my table is, since it was never finished, but I actually really enjoy it. You guys should give it a try if you haven't. This is later in the day when I got done working out. I got back to cleaning up my kitchen. I'm gonna get that finished up before the day is over. as you can tell, I got distracted again, and now it is nighttime, and my outfit has changed once more. I don't remember what distracted me that day, but I did end up finishing the kitchen in one day. I just had many outfit changes. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I still have some more stuff to wash by hand in the sink, and finally got my countertops all clean and sparkling. I even cleaned off my fridge. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.